everyone, today we're going to draw cats on a skateboard. First get your pencil.
Yes, Harper.
And start to draw the huge eyes.
Oh, look at those cute little eyes.
And look at my circle eyes. Come on, keep on colouring your eyeball. Okay.
Wait. My eyes are bad. Small one and a big one.
Do you want to draw any eyelashes on yours?
No.
Okay.
A cute one, a booty.
Now time to do the whiskers. Do short, stubby whiskers. About the same size. I think 1 centimeter. And do this, but do not let the chin attach to the whiskers. I think mine is going a bit. Never mind.
I'm gonna add a smiley face to it if there is.
And then there, and do the ears.
And then there.
The ears.
Do the ear.
Do you want your cat standing or sitting?
Standing.
Okay. But don't forget.
What a smiley face would be. It looks boring without any mouth.
Fine, if you want to do a smile, then you can. Cute. Now, do yours standing. I'm going to rip this bit out. Still kind of shows, but never mind. Now do the body. And then draw the tail.
A big tail.
Do you want yours to have headphones?
Yeah.
Okay. Then draw oval and another oval here.
I'm gonna do like a big one like this, even under the ear. Because it's supposed to be down. I'm not gonna colour mine. I'm gonna colour mine with those pens.
Okay. Now I over and And what kinds of skateboard do you want? Do you want a normal skateboard? Do you want a two-wheel skateboard? Or do you want a unicycle?
Normal.
Normal skateboard?
Yeah.
Okay, then draw this. Do you want to have any decorations on your skateboard?
Yeah.
What kind of decorations?
Gonna do some patterns.
Patterns? Okay. Okay, Now time to draw the wheels. Yeah. They can be light up wheels or something.
Wait, mine's going to actually fly. Because it looks like it's sideways and it's going to fly up. It's going to spin like that.
Okay. Then it should be a flying board, not a skateboard.
Yeah, flying skateboard.
You can do some air like this so that it looks like it's going up. And then do you want your headphones to have music coming out of it?
Yeah.
Then you draw these lines.
Why don't I just
5 of them.
Why don't I just draw those signs for music?
Yeah. 5 of these lines.
No, drawing the signs of the music.
Yeah, I know. On the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. There should be 4 spaces in between. 2, 3, 4. Now, what do you think we're going to do?
Color in.
Put your pencil away.
We need to draw the sky that people know it's in the sky.
It's fine, you got air coming out of it. And everybody watching here knows.
We're gonna color in the body, I think.
Yeah.
My orange hasn't got even sharpened. Daddy, can you sharpen this orange or something? It's not sharpened. Never mind, I'll get another orange.
Mine's going to be stripy. Now we're going to do the wheels. Mine's going to be light up wheels, so I'm going to do...
Me too.
I'm going to colour in my skateboard now. Now, do you want to write something or do you want to do something? Oh yeah, we forgot.
I have to colour in my ear puffs.
You mean...
Muffs.
No, those are headphones.
Oh yeah, headphones.
And you also have to colour the collar.
We can run the colour with this colour.
Oh, wait. I forgot I need this thing.
My ear muffs are going to take ages to do.
You mean headphones?
Yeah, why do I keep on forgetting the word head? The headies.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.